What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about intuition. And if you don't know what that is, I'm going to explain it and describe how you can use it in your everyday life and why you should be using it. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Nerf this!
Excuse my appearance right now. I am running around. I have a meeting in Seaport, so I gotta rush and get out of here because I'm gonna be late, so let's go. All right, and we are on our way to Seaport to go to the meeting. I'm stressing out. I'm gonna be there on time. It's just, am I gonna be able to find parking? So I'm gonna focus on this drive and I'll keep you updated. I'll talk to you guys when I get there or after the meeting. Just depends on how much time I have, so let's keep it going. So I have a couple of seconds before I'm about to walk into this meeting, but basically intuition is classified really as your gut feeling. When you're feeling like you should do something, like, for example, for all the bros out there, fantasy football. Sometimes you have a gut feeling on who's gonna do good that day, right? That's your intuition talking to you and trying to tell you that, hey, you should play Antonio Brown over DeAndre Hopkins or whoever it is for you. But that's a really simplified way to put what is intuition. I gotta run inside though, because I don't want to be late, but I'll continue this right after that. Alright, so I just got out of the meeting. It went really, really well. I'm excited for the future to come. I'll fill you guys in on it when I find out it's a sure thing. So what I was saying earlier is intuition is really your gut feeling. What is your gut telling you? Sometimes we make decisions that fight what our gut is telling us, and then we go to ourselves later and say, damn, I should have went with my gut, right? I've heard the intuition described as another way as basically being God's voice. So picture it as if your gut feeling, your gut reaction is what God is telling you, is what the universe is telling you. You know what you should do in most decisions, but you let your mind get in the way. You let overthinking get in the way, and really that's what keeps you from going with your intuition. Now, 99 times out of 100, when you go with your intuition, you make the right decision. So it's really just mastering knowing when your intuition is talking to you or when you should go with your gut feeling, but also becoming aware when your gut's trying to tell you something. It's getting kind of cold. I think I'm gonna go inside and get a coffee or something since we're in the city. So let's keep it moving. I know I complained about being cold outside, but you know I had to go with the iced coffee, so here we are. I was honestly going to talk more about intuition inside here, but I always forget that inside they're always playing music that I obviously don't own the rights to, so I'm going to save it for the walk back to the car, alright? I also didn't want to call out the barista in Starbucks, but totally spelled my name wrong. Not like people would know how to spell my name correctly anyway, because there's so many variations. There's obviously my way, S-E-A-N. There's S-H-A-W-N, S-H-A-U-N, and there's even C-H-O-N-E. There's just so many ways, so I feel you, barista. I can empathize for you. Just gotta find a nice spot to sit and talk to you guys. Alright, so the real real important reason why you need to listen to your intuition is because you and the universe have the best interests at heart. Like I was saying before, 99 times out of 100, your intuition is going to have the right answer. People get bogged up with overthinking and thinking of every possible outcome, but more importantly, they often think, you know, what if this doesn't work out instead of what if this does work out? The possibilities are really endless to talk about either side, so you have to focus on what will happen, what will go right. The contrary is true, and what I mean by that is if your gut's telling you not to do something, there's something in the universe, God, whatever you want to believe in, that's telling you not to do this. So you really have to just go with your gut and trust it, because that's going to lead you in the right direction. If you want to start making better decisions, start trying to make quicker decisions, because your first reaction is going to be your gut reaction most often. And when that happens, again, it's going to lead you in the right direction. The best way to get started is really to start small. When you go out to eat, know what you want on the menu right away. Try to make a decision fast. All right, that's going to get you in the right frame of mind to start making more intuitive decisions. Again, the universe, God, whatever you believe in, is there to guide you and to help you. So you really becoming aligned with that and in tune with that is only going to help you. So intuition is so huge, and this year in 2019 I'm really going to try to become more self-aware and really go with my gut more often than not, because I can't tell you how many times I didn't take a risk, I didn't take a chance because I overthought something where I could have made strides not only in my personal life but in my business, in all aspects of life really. So I am going to make it a point to start making more intuitive decisions, all right, and hopefully do the same. Like I said, it's chilly out here. I'm by the water, so it's starting to get a little bit colder. The sun's starting to go down, and I want to get home. I gotta beat this Boston traffic, so let's get rolling.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
So as you can see, I am back home right now. Like I said, the meeting went very well. At least I think I said that anyway. So I'm very excited. I'm not gonna fill you in completely until it's a sure thing, but it was a great first step, so I'm super excited about it. I drove Lily to her office today, so I have to go pick her up. I just wanted to kind of summarize everything I had said throughout the video, because when I was reflecting on it prior, I kind of came to the realization that I was rambling, my mind was kind of foggy because it was cold out in Boston, but basically here's my main points. So just to kind of give you a little synopsis of everything I said. Your intuition is super important. It's your gut feeling. You need to listen to your gut feeling, because God, the universe, whatever you believe in, is going to guide you in the right direction. So don't overthink things, take more risks, or take less risks if your gut is telling you to do so. However, with that in mind, you'll never know unless you try. So deep down, if you want something, that's the universe, God telling you to go after it. If you feel this urge, this fire to get something done, to go do something, then you need to do it, and that may mean taking a risk. So I hope that all makes sense to you. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me today in Boston. I love these vlog style videos. They're so much fun to create, so I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started, so make sure you have the post notifications turned on. You won't miss a thing, and obviously subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a thumbs down if you hate me. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much. Signing off.